If you came here for a flawless, perfect dark skin makeup, how to do it, you're in the right place. But today's video is more than just makeup. As we create this beautiful look together, I want to share some of the biggest life lessons I've learned over the years about gratitude, choosing the right people, protecting your peace, and appreciating every moment. By the end of this video, I hope you leave not only looking inspired by this makeup, but also feeling encouraged. So grab your brushes and let's get started. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mamus Atey, a makeup artist, a YouTuber, and a content creator based in Warri Delta State, Nigeria. If you're stopping by for the first time, please do well to like, share, subscribe, join this family. It is free to subscribe. Just use your index finger or your thumbnails to just hit that subscribe button. And hey guys, today we have the one and only TKRS Gallery hair, styling my hair. Okay, say hi. Are you seeing her? Say hi, bend your face. Okay? If you're in Warri Delta State, in fact, she delivers globally, nationally, nationwide delivery. Say hi. Oh, do your hand. Say hi. Okay. Hey, love. You need to start with cleansing of your face before you apply any makeup products. Okay, you cleanse your face with a cotton wool and a micellar cleansing water that is also a makeup remover. Every beautiful makeup look starts with a clean foundation. Life is the same. When your heart is grounded in gratitude, everything else becomes easier. This year reminded me that every new day is a gift. Celebrate the little wins because they are often preparing you for the bigger ones. Okay, as you can see guys, I'm cleaning my face with the micellar water to remove dirty from my face. Okay, and this birthday Thanksgiving shoot, wow, it's one that was filled with lots of discussion. We had a beautiful section. Next is applying an hydrating serum. Okay, it's very important that you hydrate the skin, and I went in with the Badescu setting spray. Next is moisturizer. It is important that you apply a moisturizer that best suits your skin. Okay, and you can see all of the process. Skin prep is important. Just as skin prep is important, how you live your life is also important. Be very intentional. And next off is primer. This is the Elf Grip Primer. I love this primer. I love everything about this primer. It's long lasting. Priming of the face is very important. You need to prime your skin. Whether you are oily skin, whether you have oily skin or matte skin or combination skin, primer is important. And this Elf Grip Primer, I love how it grips my foundation and how it just sits on my face. Foundation. For foundation, I always like to mix my foundation, guys. I'm just placing it where I need it to be first, and today's foundation I placed on one part of the face first before I started blending, and this just makes me want to talk about growth. Looking back, there were seasons I thought I wouldn't make it through, yet here I am. Every challenge taught me something. Sometimes the delay was actually preparation. Okay, so if you are out there and you are going through some sort of delay over whatever you desire, or in your job or in your career, I just need you to relax. God is in charge. Stay positive. It will only get better. It can only get better. Okay, stay positive. Just find a way to always encourage yourself. Okay, as you can see, I finished blending one part of the face and then I moved to the other part of the face. This is how life is. Life is stage by stage. You can't do everything at once. Okay, so enjoy your little growth. Sometimes people feel growth have to be massive. No, it doesn't have to be massive. Every little step, every little achievement, in fact, waking up daily is an achievement, and you should try to celebrate yourself and celebrate that little achievement. As you can see, As I'm applying this foundation, the people in the room, the hairstylist is saying that some of the hairs are disturbing me and they are taking it off. This is how life should be. When you are down, you need people by your side. When you are going through stuff, you need people around your corner. This is just how life is. You need people. You actually need good people. And you, for yourself, you also need to be a good person so that you can attract good people. Okay? Now it's time for concealer. As you can see, I applied the highlights, I applied the contour, I applied my blush. These are the areas where you should highlight for sculpting of your face. I like to place the concealer first and I will allow it to sit for like 60 seconds before I blend. I'm talking about this foundation and concealer highlights. I just want to talk about kindness. As you can see how there's a concealer, there's a blush and there's a contour, and then everything will blend. That is how you should live your life. Be kind. Everybody are not the same. All the colors on this skin are not the same. So learn to show kindness. Anywhere you go, leave people in a way that they will always remember how you treated them. That's one thing you can't take away from life. For people will always remember how you made them feel, whether in their downtime or in their high time. Make sure it is worth it, okay? You never truly know what someone else is going through. A kind word, a smile, or even a little patience can completely change someone's day. Kindness does not cost anything, but it means everything. Okay? Kindness costs nothing, but it changes everything, because in this life that we live in today, a lot of persons are very selfish. Lots of users everywhere. They feel once they have gotten what they want from you, they can move. It's okay. And you too, learn to move. If they leave you, oh yeah, you self, carry yourself, dust yourself, continue. You know, the says that they blend the concealer. Says that they blend the concealer. At the blender they go up. And not leave them for where it is. That is how you should move. Learn to dust yourself back. Trust me, God is with you. But then again, you need to speak positive things into yourself. You dey sass at the blender. You dey see the beauty blender. Now so life be. When life throw whatever it is that is going to throw at you, by the grace of God, encourage yourself. Show up for your own self. Okay? Did you see how the entire makeup is looking all blended, very perfect on my skin? Yes, this is how to do your perfect makeup. Properly blended. You can see how the forehead, my forehead is glowing. You can see how the contour uplifted my face. You can see how the highlight also uplifted my face. It's very important in recent time to always sculpt your face for professional makeup. Okay? Initially that I just applied foundation, my face was just there. It was fine, yes, but it was just there. This is the proper way to enhance anyone's facial structure. Okay, guys, don't compare. Don't ever compare yourself with anyone. Okay, don't compare your journey with someone else. We all bloom at different seasons, different times. Keep shining, keep showing up even when progress feels very slow. As you can see, it is time for baking and I'm highlighting the face. You can see where I apply the setting powder under my zygomatic bone. It's always very important to set your face after concealer application. You set and you can use a powder. And this brings me to talking about protecting your piece, because all of this setting is what protects the makeup, the foundation and the concealer. As I have grown older, I have realized that peace is priceless. You don't have to attend to every argument or prove yourself to everyone. Protect your energy. Okay, in recent time I always say it, I always put it in my WhatsApp status. I said, let petty, sneaky people, corny people, may they meet their type, and let kind people meet their type. You know what, it's high time everybody meet their match. If you are corny, you are petty, you are a person, people user, you feel, in fact, whatever it is, meet your match. If you are kind, you have affection in you, sympathy, empathy, oh yeah, meet your match. Because it's high time people truly deserve whatever they are. Okay? Okay. Time for the brows. As you know, what is perfect makeup without eyebrow? Not go work now. And then the brows, I made it very simple. Okay, I just follow through my natural brows, and this brows is the reason I want to talk about purpose. Brow frames the face just like purpose gives direction to one's life. I will say that again. Eyebrows frame the face just like purpose give direction to our lives. Not everyone who walk with you is meant to stay forever, and that's okay. Keep moving towards the person you are becoming. Your life is not a script that every Tom, Dick and Harry should be writing. Okay, know what you want in your life, know what you accept and know what you don't accept. Oftentimes people are quick to return energy in issues, in things. Oh, my friend did this, I'm returning the energy. Oh, disrespect, blah 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 blah. But they are not quick in returning aura for kindness. Please, if you fall into that category, change, or I wish you to meet your type so that your type will understand you. And you know, say this life, until something is done to you, you will never understand how it feels like. So that's the reason why you too know your purpose, know what you tolerate. When you feel somebody is calling themselves friends, see, I've learned the hard way to know how to use the word friend. Not everybody is a friend. That's just it. So if you're watching this video, learn to know when to stop whatever it is you're tolerating. Nobody is perfect. Everybody deserves peace. Even your enemy deserves peace. So you self, you deserve peace. So why everybody deserves peace? Know when to move. Yes, move. Know your life purpose. If something is not going in the direction that you want it, move. As you can see, I'm applying my eyeshadow, and this matte eyeshadow, I'm using this nude brighter color because my outfit is red outfits, okay, burgundy. So I'm going for a nude matte eyeshadow eyes, and my eyeshadow palette is from Annie's Beauty. Now let's talk about friendship. One lesson I've learned is to be careful who you allow into your space. Good friends celebrate your wins. They don't compete with you. They encourage you even when you are not in the room. Choose people who bring you peace, not constant drama. Leave dramatic people for where they did. Leave them. You move, learn to move, okay? Yes, you are the author and the scripter of your book, of your life. So make sure it is worth it. Okay? The thing is, life is in different season. So is friendship. When you have a friend that is winning, share them up, clap for them, appreciate them. When you're also winning, they do the same. It's balance. And then if you have a friend that's probably she wasn't all out there for you, you too also try to reach out and find out what's happening in their life. Because sometimes you may have a friend that is drowning, and then you think they are not out celebrating you because they are doing well. Try to also communicate. Communication is key. Time to set that makeup, melt it all down, and I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury matte setting spray. And I just want to talk about life. Life is so precious. Spend time with people you love. Tell them you appreciate them. Laugh more, forgive more, create memories, because tomorrow isn't borrowed. Okay, tomorrow isn't promised. Life is fickle. In the space of November to February, I lost two very precious family members. And today, all I have is memories. You want to call them, you can't call them. They are no more. All I have is memories of them with me. Life is precious. Live your life. Forget enemy. Me, I don't do enemy. If we're not even doing good terms, I don't move. I don't leave you. I don't even get energy to say this one an enemy. This one not be enemy. If we're not working, we're not working. I wish you were from afar. because even your enemy deserve peace. So learn to just live a happy, peaceful life. And that's my priority anytime, any day. At this point of my life, peace is luxury. Peace is all I desire. Peace is what I want. If you are not giving it to me, I give you chance. It was time for me to go in with my fixing spray. Makes my face to glow, and I love how this spray just hold my makeup all day long. And then I did the lips off camera. Talking about positivity. Speak life over yourself. The words you repeat every day become the life you believe you deserve. You see the lipstick wey I apply for this lip, as e fine like this, na so I dey speak positively into my life, because you need to speak the words that you want in your life every day. You need to say to yourself that you deserve it. And this is the finished look, guys. I am happy. We're at 13,000, and then we're still in the month of July. I'm grateful for the gift of life. I'm grateful for my 13,000 subscribers. As this makeup comes together, I just want to say thank you to every single one of you who watches, comments, shares, and supports me. You have become part of this journey. We recently crossed 13,000 subscribers, and I'm so grateful, whether you have been here for years or today for your first time. Thank you for spending your time with me. As July comes to an end, I pray August brings fresh opportunities, peace, good health, and joy for all of us. Remember to be kind. Remember to protect your peace. Remember to believe in yourself, and never stop becoming the best version of who you are. I love you all, okay? Let me know the best parts. If today's video encouraged you in any way, let me know in the comment section what is one life lesson you will carry with you this year. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Share it with someone who might need both the makeup tips and the encouragement. I'm grateful, I'm thankful, I'm blessed for the gift of life. As July comes to an end, my heart is filled with gratitude. Once again, I want to say thank you, my darling subscribers. In this month of July, we are 13,000. You guys made it happen, and truly, that's one of my best birthday gifts, okay? Let's get it to 15. Let's get it to 20,000 subscribers. I appreciate you all. Thanks for the comment, or the like, or the share, or the subscription. I appreciate it. Please do well to share my videos with your friends, your frenemy, your family members, your village members, okay? Tell them about Mamus Atey YouTube channel, okay? I appreciate you all. I love you all. Thanks for watching my videos to the very end, and may the Lord bless the works of your hands, okay? I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, remain positive, smile often, and bye, guys. Mwah. Bye for we. Have you seen this beautiful baby Mamus? This lady that was born 1985, 07 represents a number of perfection and completion. Abi, if you be Christian, you know that on the 7th day God rested. Imagine, 7 is a rare number, and God gave me 2. 0707. I was born 7th day of the 7th month. See, I'm God's son. I love what God is doing in my life, and may He continue to do more. No, see, I God, in fact, even my work I do, I don't know how to do everything. I just God just they show this small girl grace. And God they help me, okay. So guys, this is the beautiful Mamus, and this year I decided to try red. 2 of my gowns were red. I've been a fan of black. Black is still my favorite, but this year I'm trying new things. So one of the life lessons I want you to learn is what? Don't be afraid. Go bold. Try new things. Live your best life. Bye, guys. Bye for real this time.